and I'm here to talk to you about first aid in the Appalachian Mountains. Really small, and towns aren't too far away. You want to have a first aid kit with you because the mountains are still pretty big, and it may take a while to get down to a place. You want tweezers so you can pull out splinters, and you want any kind of medication that you would normally need to deal with a particular situation. You also want to be able to immobilize broken bones so that you can get down properly to the mountain without getting your bones broken even more. I usually carry aspirin or ibuprofen or something like that so that if I have a headache or I have some kind of pain, it'll calm down the pain so that I can get down with as much comfort as I could possibly have. It's also good to pack blister pads that you can attach to your feet in the event that you do get a blister, because hiking on a blister is extremely painful. I also like to carry aloe just in case I get sunburned. Aloe is really good for moisturizing the skin and reducing the pain. The first aid kit that you bring should be big enough to contain everything you need, but small enough that it doesn't become a huge burden, because you want to be able to fit other things in your pack. And the first aid kit is really just there to help you get down to the mountains so you can get proper medical attention.